Page 36. 5. Classmates. Student's book. Page 50. F. Listen. Student's book. Page 44. 6. I want that game.
Tom is watching television at home this evening. 3 other children, Sue, Lucy and Bill, are watching TV in their homes too. The 4 children have a lot of computer games, but I want that game, they all say to their parents. Tom's father has a helicopter. In the morning, Tom says, "Please fly me to Computer Fun in Candy Street, Dad. I want that game." "Okay," Tom's father says. "Jump in." Sue's sister is getting on her motorbike. "Can you take me to Computer Fun in Candy Street, please? I want that game," she says. "Okay," says Sue's sister. Lucy runs to the bus. "Can you drive me to Computer Fun in Candy Street?" she asks. "I want that game." "Okay," says the bus driver. Bill phones his aunt. "Can you take me to Computer Fun in Candy Street in your lorry?" he asks. "I want that game." "Okay," says his aunt. Sue, Tom, Lucy and Bill are in the store now. "We've only got one game now," says the man in the store. "I want it," says Sue. "Me too," says Tom. "So do I," says Lucy. "And me," says Bill. He takes the game. "It's mine now," he says. One little girl is crying. "My friends have got a lot of computer games, but I have no computer games. Can I have that game, please?" Bill looks at the little girl. Sue, Tom and Lucy look at her too. "Yes," says Sue. "Don't cry." Then Sue looks at Tom. "Yes," says Tom. "Don't worry." Then Tom looks at Lucy. "Yes," says Lucy. "Don't be sad." Then Lucy looks at Bill. Bill smiles and gives the game to the little girl. "Here you are," he says. "It's not ours, it's yours now. Have fun." The little girl is really happy. "Thanks," she says. Sue, Tom, Lucy and Bill are happy too.